Hello everybody, my name is Lucas and I'm creator of the DesignKit Figma plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to import and export Figma files. So let's start. Okay, we have run DesignKit plugin and we will go to export and Figma tab. Now we need to put file ID and token. How we can do this? As you see, currently I have opened components Figma file where I put 3 components with the one page. Now I have to go to web browser, log into my account under figma.com. I've opened already the same file name components where you can see the same content. In address bar, you can see the link of this file, and after design and slash character, you will see the ID of the file. I have to copy this file ID into DesignKit plugin. The token I can get when I go back to files, open the settings, scroll down, and here you can generate a new token. I've already done with the generating, so I only put my token inside the design kit. Okay, token is here. Now what I need is to click on export button and this component file will be exported to JSON. Great. Now save it and let's check if the output is the same. I need to go under the import tab and click at JSON, find your saved Figma file and open it. Now, as you can see, the new page was created where the components are loaded. Okay, this was the very easy manual how to import and export Figma file. And in the next video, I will show you a bonus video of a new version which I published yesterday for Canvas components. Thank you for the watching and see you next time.